If the new Siri AI is not showing on a MacBook even after the macOS 27 Golden Gate public or beta update, if you were excited to try the new AI features but only seeing the old Siri, this video is for you. Let's go ahead and fix it. As you can see, whenever I call Siri, the old Siri wakes up even though I've already installed the macOS Golden Gate. To fix this, let's open Settings, scroll down, and from the left-hand tab, enter the Siri settings. First, make sure Siri is set to a language that supports the new Siri AI. United States English is the safest option, so select it from the list if any other language is selected in here. Now, as you can see, you should immediately see a Try the new Siri option. Just click on it and then select Continue. And as you can see, my Siri icon has now changed. However, if the old Siri is still opening instead of the new one, there is one more settings to check. So I'm going to just go back to Settings on your Mac, and from the General tab, go to Language and Region. And here you're going to make sure your region is set to 1 where the new Siri is available. Now after that, let's go back to Siri settings and then turn Siri off and then just turn it back on once again. When the new setup window appears, just select Try the new Siri and then click Continue. And the new Siri should now be available without any problem on your Mac. You can use it as a conversational AI assistant similar to ChatGPT, and if you'd like quicker access, you can also add it to your dock if you want. Thanks for your time.